Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Oh, good, brother.
Hey, how you doing, bro?
Blessed, my G. How about you?
Same. Beautiful morning, yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Is the sun out?
Yeah, we got the sun out already.
Let's go.
Feeling great.
Let's go. New morning. New day.
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning, everybody else. Good morning, LeGrand. Skumar. Tony. Calvin. Aaron. Aaron.
Arun.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, YouTube. Hope you're doing amazing.
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Yo.
There he is.
Aaron.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was making my coffee.
How you doing, brother?
Hey, we blessed. We got the coffee. We ready. It's game time. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Gotta
sir.
make my coffee while some breaks the chart down in my ears.
Hey. You have to do that after you pray. Hey.
Of course, bro. Gotta thank God for the coffee, bro.
Yes,
Coffee's
sir.
a privilege, man.
100%. 100%.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. Everybody in Discord. Let's get it. Let's get this beautiful day.
Calimera!
Hey.
Sir, let's take advantage of this new day that we've been blessed with.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's pray. Shall we pray?
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
Bless it.
Jesus, we just want to thank you for this blessed morning that you're giving to each and every one of us, Lord. I just want to thank you that we have the privilege of waking up this morning. I just want to thank you that we also have the privilege to get to do what we do, Lord. Without you, it would not be possible. Thank you that we're able to gather together in your name and just do what we do and just sharpen one another. I pray to just bless every single person coming in and out of these streams. I also pray that you just bless the session, go before us, guide us, and just give us wisdom, Lord. And your ultimate guidance may our paths be aligned with the path that you have created for us, Lord. May we not give into our earthly flesh, but may we be kingdom focused. I just ask that you'll just be with us throughout these days and be with us throughout the rest of this week. Allow us to see forward and to capitalize on the next week as well. Just thank you for all that you do, Lord. Thank you for blessing us with abundance for all that we do. We take nothing for granted. I just want to thank you. We give you all the praise and all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen.
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 Sir.
Sir.
Yeah, I would
Now
also
we
be
blessed.
happy.
Now we blessed.
The grand, I would also be happy if we get a little bit of volume. We will see. We will find out.
George, you pray for volume?
Maybe we should start doing that.
We have volume. In Jesus' name.
Good morning, Knowles. Great to see you.
Oh.
One Noel.
One brother.
All right, let's look at the charts and see what's going on. Yesterday was crazy. Yesterday was crazy.
Bro, I saw you guys' text. I woke up to that. What happened?
Well, you like broke the daily highs and lows multiple times in a row. But yeah, we can look at that in a second.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we closed bullish. We created a support on the daily, but this current daily candle now doesn't really have a steep bottom wick. Let's look at it on the weekly for a second. So the weekly bottom wick is down here, so that's established. That's this wick right here. So the weekly technically doesn't really need one. The daily could just drive up, which we kind of already do. But we gotta keep that in mind, that there's like a small bottom wick, so maybe some time today we want to come down and create a steeper wick. So yeah, let's just keep that in mind. But we have a daily support, we have a resistance up here. Wrong key. So we got a resistance up here and a support down here on the daily time frame. And let's move to the 4-hour. What we can see here is we have, yeah, the resistance just stays the same up there, but we also have one here. So let's move that to the closest. And I think this support already makes a lot of sense. There might be some more here and here, but I think this should be the daily bottom wick, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, yep, that's the daily bottom wick. So yeah, we gotta have an eye on that. Let's see, 1 hour. We just created some more resistance. And we got a support down here where the daily lows are. And on the 30 minutes, we can also adjust it. Still looking the same down there. Yeah, so now we got a big range. This is basically what the daily has printed inside of this range. And now we can look for areas. So we got the new forward that just opened up. And the previous one also has no bottom wick. So right now it looks like we might want to come down and maybe break those lows. Or at least touch into these supports on the 1 hour. So let's mark these up. 4 is still bullish, right? So we're in a bullish trend. We just got a new support, and now this one, you could say, already tapped targets. So maybe this 4 now gets us a pullback, grabs some liquidity down here, and then we continue to move up. Or we just move up, we fill this range, we tap the target completely, and then we look for some bearish closures and maybe we take some sells down. But for now, as always, the forward just open. We need to let it print a little bit and see what's the plan there. So yeah, on the 30 minute, I'll just put my ranges down here. So this is the range currently we're in. Yeah, some fake out down here and then buys up, or fake out or support down here and buys up. And if we come up first and then we reject from these areas here, then I might be and we close back below, then I might be open to sell today, sell down for a steeper bottom wick.
W, bro.
I hope that makes sense.
Yep.
W, brother.
Yeah, and yesterday we can look at that, what happened. Oops.
Even now, bro.
Let me see.
A little bit of volume.
Yeah. So yesterday, that was from here. So yeah, we started, and in Asia, gold just moved up, and then we consolidated throughout London. You remember we had nothing going on here, and we came down in 3NY, bled pretty heavy, and created a steeper bottom wick for that daily, and then now we actually didn't, but we broke the 4 lows, and then we tripled all the way back into this range, came all the way back down, then we came back up, we came back down, and then we came back up, broke all the highs, and then we came back down and broke all the lows, and that was by the end of the day. And every move just, got bigger on that day. So that was pretty weird, because usually, you see high volume during NY, which is right here. You see the biggest move, and then by the rest of the day, you just see smaller moves, right? But yesterday it just got bigger and bigger, so that was crazy to watch, kinda. Good morning,
Yeah, that was
Devo.
wild, bro.
And David, good morning.
Good morning, Debo.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on, BRB.
And also that trade we took on 9:30. It just broke lows and highs like 3 times. That was a tough day. Let's see what silver did.
Yesterday was a weird day for gold.
Yeah.
Good morning, David. Good morning, Debo. Good morning, brother.
Wow. Silver looks way better today.
Silver look like about to bleed, bro.
Silver is currently bleeding.
True. That's what I mean. He's bleeding. He's bleeding.
Crazy range.
Ooh, NQ with the gap down. NQ often looks nasty, bro. If I'm being honest. And sometimes it looks so super clean.
What's the code for silver?
SI?
SI.
And then SIL is for the micros.
And SI is for silver.
But Skumar, if you haven't traded silver, just know that it is much, much bigger than the MGC.
Yeah.
Much bigger.
One contract is way more risk than one contract on gold. So if you'd usually, I mean, right now we can only go to MGC, but yeah, two micro silver is already some good risk.
Yeah, it's insane.
I think silver is double, right? Double the amount of gold, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's at least double, at least. But I'm feeling it's more, bro. Because going one micro on silver is still crazy.
Good morning.
Gold is fine.
5 times the risk, Null
Morning,
says. Null says 5 times
No,
the
is
risk.
is it actually 5 times the risk?
I mean, then one micro silver is like 5 MGC. So if you're
it
going,
makes sense because I've seen it.
that's great. Hey, good morning, Marlon.
Good morning, Marlon.
Great to see you. 5 times.
Oh, it is actually
heavy.
5 times, bro. 1 GC is 5 GC, 5 ink SI. That's crazy.
The only trade I've placed on silver was on CPI. That's why I'm not
Oh,
sure.
W.
That's why I didn't know. I thought it was
That's
double,
tough.
but 5 times the risk. Okay. So I basically full margined my account there without knowing.
Well, I mean, we traded CPI, so it kind of was already full margin, right?
Yeah, I mean that was the plan. But
Yeah.
I thought I thought I wouldn't be in with that much risk, to be honest.
And I remember silver moved pretty slow, right? I remember watching you.
Yeah, and I got my entry pretty high up because I wanted to see the 50-minute break of the highs. So if I had them like right at the 1 minute, I would have seen like big profits probably. But I got it pumped right to my entry kinda, and then I was like a couple pips in profits, and it wasn't really pushing, and then I just exited out because I
Yeah.
didn't want to see drawdown.
Seeing drawdown on silver during CPI.
Yeah, no,
Crazy.
thank you.
That would have been crazy.
I rather manage that quick. Okay, so Goldie also came down.
Yep.
We grabbed those previous 4 lows. That's good. We always want to see markets move, grabbing some lows, then, you know, forming some new supports, pushing, or if we're in a bearish trend, of course, the other way around. But we want to see good price action. We want to see the markets move and not just what we had previously here. But if we look at the last days or last weeks where we traded London, I saw that right before London we had huge moves, and then London was just moving like this. So now we have a move like this before London, and now London starts moving cleaner than the moves we had before. So maybe today London Open will be London Open again.
And not London close.
I have a good feeling. I don't know.
Aye, bro, I'm with you. I'm with you.
This whole Asia was chopped. You see?
Yeah, it was. Not the cleanest of ranges today.
Yep. That's because Asia didn't move.
Yeah. Yeah, not only that, but as you were explaining, gold was up, down, like crazy yesterday.
Yeah.
And that part is clean. But before that crazy movement, we were stuck in that terrible range that we traded London in yesterday. Five times risk, huh? Okay, Knowles. Well, it's good to know.
Yeah, really good to know.
I want to know, has silver always been five times risk, or because silver had a crazy pump? Was it after, or was it just the same? Contract still the same sizes.
But why would they do that? They're like, okay, silver's moving 10 times more than usually. Let's just put some more risk on the contracts.
I mean, Topstep kind of did that. They just limited how many we can go in with.
Yeah,
Just to say that the futures contracts didn't change.
but that would be crazy.
Coins buying. Goeiemorgen.
Spine, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Alex.
Alex, let's go.
Benji, I see you. I see you. Come on, brother. Top Step did that to protect us. So they say. So they say. But I have it on good authority, Jacob.
Top Step, you know what?
That's a lie.
I can protect myself.
Yeah. Let me blow an account if I want to blow an account.
I can limit
don't stop me.
myself. It's okay. I will risk accordingly. Just give me my contracts back.
Funny because I probably won't even trade GC on my XFA, but I
No,
want to
I
have that
wouldn't.
option.
I wouldn't trade
You
it.
know,
Probably.
5 MGC.
Yeah, because we still have like 100 pips stop losses and stuff, so that's like still $1,000 of drawdown, which is half of your drawdown if you got a fresh
Yeah.
XFA, and then but I would still like to go maybe 3, 4, or 5 MGC instead of 2 all the time, because sometimes you get like a 50 pip stop, and then you can go 4 or 5 MGC, and you risk like 250 bucks, you know.
Yeah, and you want to, when you close partials, you don't want to close 1 MGC. It'll
Yeah.
be much nicer to close 2 or 3, 4.
Yeah, like closing like 75% at least, and then that's like 50, and then you leave 50 on the table, and sometimes you just wanna get most of your position out at some resistances or supports, and then you're just able to either close full or 50. I like
Yeah.
runners. They were losing money, these. I want Tom to say more, but I was up there. Yeah. I mean, I get it that they gotta protect themselves. That's also why they have a special deal right now, you know? That's not for us. That's definitely not for us.
Yep. Alex, bro, say it. Say what you want.
Yeah, you can say what you want.
Yeah, we're honest here. Yeah, they say 5 MGC, but it's got to do with your 50k balance. So I think if you're above 2k, you can go 3 MGC. If you're above, I don't know, 3 or 4k, you can go 4 MGC.
Yeah. It's just like it used to be with GC. So your 50k can trade up to 5 GC, but you need a lot of balance on that account to do so.
Yeah.
Is Lad Lewis G?
Is it?
I think so.
Yo,
I see a G-Wagon.
Yo.
morning
Bless
everyone.
us with your presence. Good
Come
morning,
on,
Lewis.
bro.
How you doing?
Bless my brother. Great. You?
I'm awake, I'm alive,
W.
W.
I'm blessed.
Did you get your truck sorted?
No sir.
Well, I don't understand how though. Like, if it's a battery, either charge the battery or get a new one.
I could not tell you, honestly. Somebody's supposed to come tomorrow and
Is it just stuck there wherever you left it?
it's stuck in my driveway. Like
Oh,
you know how my property is like I don't know if I showed. I don't know who I showed. I know I showed Janosh. I think it was Aaron too. But my property is like my
Hey,
house
showed me,
is
bro.
like
Just got back. What's up, Lewis? Keep going. Sorry.
Aaron. Now like my property is like my house is all the way to the back, and at the front of my driveway it's like it's kind of like a mile deep, and my truck is right at my gate, like it's right at the front, so
Dang.
it's like blocking everything from getting in and getting out.
Dang.
So
Yeah, you need to use one of
yeah,
your other G wagons to pull that other one away. Like,
yeah. So he's stuck. I can't do anything. So now I'm just trying to at least just get it out the way. But I had two tow trucks come yesterday, and neither of them knew how to actually do it. So I
Seriously?
told him, "Well, if you don't know what you're doing, just leave it alone."
What?
dang.
Yeah, it's a headache.
Dang.
It got pretty exhausting yesterday, so I was I was just like, man, just get this over with. At least just move this thing out the way. I'm ready to just go inside and just chill. Been dealing with this for a whole day already.
Oh man. Bro, car problems can get so frustrating.
Yeah, it is pretty frustrating. But it'll be over. It'll be over soon.
Yeah.
I hope.
Yeah, bro, you just need to figure out the problem. I would highly suggest
And
just
you need
calling a mechanic.
yeah, you need some competent people over there.
Yeah, bro.
I need German. Send me a German.
Yeah, call the Amish, bro. I bet they can help you. I like the volume so far.
Yeah. I would have loved to have seen us. I would still love to see us close low. They'll fix it right up, LeGrand.
Lewis, Marlon got a question for you. And Alex. Alex, it's a G-Wagon.
No, this is his truck, right? It's not a G-Wagon.
It's not?
Is it a G-Wagon?
No, it's my truck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the only two cars that are actually working are my two Mercedes.
My two G-Wagons.
GG. Lewis G.
Lewis G.
It was meant to be.
Alright.
Luis Gallardo.
Luis Gonzalez.
Luis Gallardo is also nice.
Yeah, it is.
Giolado.
You gotta get a Lambo, Lewis.
Luis Gallardo.
That's in
He's like, I already ordered it.
it's part of my plan, but not yet. Not there yet.
What about PR, bro? We doing it? Team effort? Are you
That's
going
also that's also a part of the vision, but just not sure yet.
the Grandmaster
Hey,
plan?
Lil Samson moving to Puerto Rico.
Little something worldwide. We international. We everywhere.
Puerto Rico.
We in every country.
Mr. Worldwide.
We gonna try to be like Pitbull.
Oh,
Mr. Worldwide.
where's Mr.
Mr.
Worldwide?
Worldwide.
Yeah, where's Mr. Worldwide?
He'll come. He'll come.
A lot of people missing today. Feel like they
More
might
than-
miss on a banger trade. that one session they skipped.
Yeah.
Dang. I
Yeah.
know that feeling from back then.
Same, bro.
You know what?
Mark-
London's been so bad for 2 weeks in a row. Let me just skip this one session. And then you wake up 2 hours later than usual and you check Instagram and you
300%.
see all people took like a banger trade.
Everywhere, bro. Everywhere.
Bro, the way Goldie trying to move today, I mean, it's looking nice.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They,
Hey,
That's
Marlon, I'm looking at Nasdaq, and yeah, it's kind of like trickling slowly up there. I do see at least trying to get up to that opening gap that it opened with yesterday. It may slowly get up there. It may get up there with London Open. You just need that kind of like that volume push. But I do like that the 1 hour. That's a good like rejection zone. That's kind of like where market open would like open that and kind of push down from there. I like some kind of like retest in that area and then come back down because it technically hasn't really shifted that kind of like structure to the upside. We've been kind of trading below that 25,396 since Thursday last week, I guess a week ago. So until we start seeing some actual closures, like maybe like some kind of supports up there, I would say we kind of shifted to the upside. But as of right now, we're still trading below that. So I would at least want to see a retest around there and then come down. So yeah, I think obviously that 4 hours open right now with no bottom wick. But I still like the push up, kind of like an aggressive push, really, with volume. So, yeah.
W
Mhm,
lose.
mhm.
That'd be bro. Yes, sir. Get it. Lewis,
Well,
did you trade Asian yesterday? Actually, did anybody trade Asian?
No, I don't think so.
No, I was dealing with my vehicle situation.
These vehicular device.
What I would like to see on this candle now is that we come down and grab these lows, tap the target on the 4, tapping into these spots, and then we close bullish above this guy on the left on the 30-minute for London Open. Then we have a really nice support with the grab of the previous lows. And then we take the buys up eventually.
Yes, sir. I like that. Sounds like a plan. But let's see if we can get Goldie to come down first for us.
Looks good. We have some good bearish pressure on these candles.
Yeah. You know Goldie.
Goldie. How was your day yesterday?
Are you asking everyone?
What?
What? My day was good, thank you, bro. My aunt and uncle and their 4 little kids arrived yesterday from Canada. Um, so yeah, they're staying here for at least 3 months.
Nice.
Then they may come again. I got some work to do here. So yeah, feeling really blessed that I get to see them again and actually grow up with my little cousins because we've been apart for so many years. Yeah, that's a blessing.
Nice. Skuma, all BE.
How about you? How about you? You know,
yeah.
Maleko?
Except all of those BE trades and finish it off with a loss yesterday. Day was really good. But I didn't really do anything special. It was just cooking, working out, and chilling.
Bro, that food looked amazing.
Oh, it was.
Chef, we always say Chef AB, but look at Chef Yanosh. Dang.
Oh, it's just a steak, though.
Perfectly cooked eggs. Nah, bro, but you made it look so fancy.
Oh, the eye
You have nice
eats,
plates.
the eye eats too.
He's got a nice plate.
He has that Michelin star in his blood.
Yeah, bro. This guy's he's a bachelor. And he living like he made it.
we
didn't
gonna
make it,
we
so-
gonna we gonna cook on the meetup.
Yeah, bro.
Good morning, Maleko. Was good. I live in Germany, so does Aaron and AB. And George is in beautiful Greece.
Sir.
And Luz is in America, Texas.
I don't live in Germany. Don't listen to him. Just kidding. Man.
He said you live in Germany, bro.
That was a joke. My wife is next to me. That's why.
Oh,
Make a joke.
it's a German. She's watching you.
German.
It's a German, man.
What? That's all you gotta say. Okay. She doesn't want to talk.
What about you, Skumar?
Yeah, where are you
I don't know if I've
based?
ever asked you.
I'm not sure right now. India.
India. Where in India?
India.
Southern tip. Oh, my geometry. I mean, my geography. I said geometry.
Bro, my geometry is even worse.
Geometry.
Man, I haven't heard geometry or algebra in so long. Thank God. I haven't used it once.
My algebra was good, but my trig, wow, that took a hit, bro. My trigonometry, wow.
I think I can say the same, George.
Yeah, like algebra was nice, but when we were introduced to trig,
Bro, I was a beast at like addition, multiplications. Then once we hit fractions, bro, it was just a wrap, basically. It was just like
fractions as a kid was like
why?
like
You know?
worst thing ever.
Well, I gotta know that, bro.
You know, I've always been, and I guess since I was a kid, I've always been good at like math, like the math subject. But trig was the only one that I had a hard time with.
Crazy.
So, but after that, even calculus and all those other ones, those were all pretty easy. Trigonometry, literally the only one.
Yeah.
Yeah, trig was a nightmare for me too. It was. Damn, now I'm thinking about how long ago was the last like math equation I did, like an actual math equation, not like I made 5%. How much drawdown do I have left? You know.
I don't know. ChatGPT does it.
That is
W, bro. W. If only I could go back in time and speak to my math teacher and say, "Look what we have now. You told me I would use it.
Morning, Ivy.
Good morning, Arkert. Good morning, Allison.
Imagine you
so-
could have shown them your phone back then and be like, yo, look at this. What I can do with this device.
Yeah.
They would be,
I mean,
what?
kids nowadays, are they not? They're probably doing it. And the worst part is the kids nowadays are probably getting so lazy because
Yeah.
of ChatGPT. So we are blessed that we did not grow up with ChatGPT in school.
Oh
Even-
yeah.
Even the internet, like, it wasn't,
Right.
the internet was still not that place like it was, like it is today.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it was still easier to get information. We didn't have to go to the library and read through books. Could still search it up, but you had to click through a lot of stuff to find
Kids
the
these days
answer.
are building trading boats, and then
Yeah.
they don't have to do the work for it.
Yeah, they don't learn trading. They just learn how to code a bot for trading.
Code.
Good morning, Allison.
Guilty.
And Orchid too.
Awkward. Good morning, brother.
I was wondering what you typed there, Allison. I thought you wanted to type ICL, like I can't lie.
Hmm.
But it didn't make sense. LKL.
No.
In the 1973 was nothing like that, just books. Yeah, I bet there was.
Yeah,
The
it was
internet
just
wasn't.
encyclopedias, bro.
Yeah.
Just encyclopedia. You grab the book, you get the numbers and the codes, then you grab that book with the numbers and the codes. How many encyclopedia books were there actually?
I think there's a lot, ain't there?
Yeah, there was a heck. That was the Google. Encyclopedia was the Google.
What are you trying to do?
Yeah, I don't know. We almost came
Yeah,
for
well,
a
you
steeper
know.
bottom wick, but then it just went straight back up.
Right.
I
Saw that. I'm like, bro, what?
was like, yeah, it's coming down nice, and
Right.
straight back up.
Exactly. Straight back up. Straight back.
Did you guys cheat in school?
Should I answer
Never.
that?
I mean,
publicly?
everybody
No.
did.
Yeah, never.
Never.
I
Never.
honestly didn't, bro.
Never.
I'm just being honest.
I
Like,
think-
in a
Ever.
test,
Why would I?
Bro,
Like, look, man, I played the fifth.
I'll
100%.
tell you that there wasn't a single test I didn't cheat on.
Ooh. Boy. My boy. That's a good one. That's a good one.
At least, like, you know, I always had like a little advantage. Some
Hilarious.
backup plan.
So funny. Bro, you know what the ACT is? I mean, Lewis, I know you know.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's like these like
The
tests we have to
ACT or
take for
the
college,
SAT?
basically.
What
Yeah,
again?
SAT and ACT, basically. In high school, you gotta take it. And I cheated on my ACT, bro. And got a 29. And I had like the Ivy League schools hit me up and everything. It was crazy. It was so fun. It's a long story. Long story. That's my number. Like I think that's yeah.
That's funny, man.
But I played
How
the
did you
fifth,
cheat on SATs though?
bro. It's
Is that
bro,
highly regulated? Aren't there a lot of people walking around making sure you ain't doing that?
bro. It's a really long story, so I don't know if I should say the story, but
Not yet, not yet.
Alright.
You spilled the beans though.
that's what I
Kind of
mean.
spilled yourself out.
How
So.
do you? That's why I said I gotta stop telling
Oh.
myself.
All stories on the
Elaborate.
stream are absolutely fictional and all made up. This is just entertainment.
This is all. This, yeah, exactly. This is entertainment purposes. 100%
If you can't prove it, it ain't real.
W.
If it happened more than 5 years ago, it didn't happen.
I pled the fifth.
It's like they revoked my my high school diploma.
I mean, they could technically if they were onto you, but no one's looking for you, bro.
I got my college degree, bro. I'm okay.
I never cheated, bro. Not a single test. I don't remember ever cheating.
Oh.
I don't know. I didn't feel the need. I just wrote them.
But think about all the people who like can cheat now with Chat GPT in the last years, bro.
Yeah, that's
like,
a whole
even in
different level.
college and high
Yeah.
school, bro. Like we had to like we earned our grades by like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, bro, it was an effort. You either had to study or like you had to pick one, and it was the same amount of work.
When you prepared for cheating, that was actually like learning for the test, because
100%.
you set up like little notes and stuff, and then you think about where you can hide them, and
Gotta have a system to it.
yeah, you have like a system, and if somebody asks a question, then you know the teacher's distracted, so you can pull them out and look at them, and then you also gotta always be like, that was also a good strategy to just openly cheat. Just put it
Yeah,
openly on
exactly.
your desk and just, you know, cheat.
Just
Because
openly,
then it was
bro,
so too obvious to
100%.
be caught, you know.
Sometimes you can only do this though if the teacher like loved you, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Some of those teachers like that I did that, like that I knew that they liked me, so it's like if I openly cheat, like they're probably not even gonna say anything. But the ones who don't like me, bro, I have to, you know, plead the fifth cheat, you know.
Dang, bro. You guys are did your teachers not walk around while you were writing
Yeah.
in between?
I mean, some yes and no, you know, everybody's different, bro. You know?
You always had the fear of getting caught.
Dang, bro. When we were writing like big tests, we were moved to the auditorium of the school,
What?
and we would have at least like 6 teachers walking in between each
Yeah.
lane.
Dang.
Bro, that's wild.
We
How many
cannot.
people were like in your class?
Uh,
Like how many
I
people did you
don't
graduate
know,
with?
70. How many people did I grad? I was in a small South
70?
African school,
Okay. Damn.
so like 70. Yeah.
Yeah, it was almost like an adrenaline rush.
Yeah.
Adrenaline rush, bro. I don't want that.
Yeah, it's like being full margin on NFP.
Yeah. For real.
Now that I can get myself into, bro.
Like I kind of missed
Where?
it.
I went to it was called Maragon. It was first called Doxadeo. Doxadeo, but changed to Maragon in Pretoria. Pretoria, Moycliff. Yeah.
Crazy. Man. I went to Ontario Orange High School. But my
Oh,
team,
what?
or not my team, where I went to school, just won the state championship in football, which is crazy. Yeah, American football. I'm just like, that's actually wild. When I was there, I couldn't imagine that. You know? And now they're winning the state
You went
championship.
to state champs?
No.
Oh, your school?
Yeah, the school.
Oh,
But it's just wild to think about, like, how far. That's what I'm trying to say. That school has come. You pin drop.
I also never did my homework, or barely.
For real?
Yeah, in math, especially, I always just showed some old work and just changed the date on it,
It's crazy.
because
That's hilarious.
I knew they wouldn't look at the stuff. They were just checking if we did something. So that worked most of the times. Some teachers look through it.
That's funny.
Jeez, you know, where'd you go to school?
What do you mean, like?
Yeah,
What's
like in Bremen, or was it like
um?
in Hamburg?
No, I
Bremen?
was here in near of Hamburg.
Okay, okay. That's hilarious.
Man,
Americans team, the gambling is Cowboys.
Hey, that's fire. Yeah, about Jimmy Jones.
Hey,
Cowboys.
it's fun. I seen
Yeah.
that one too.
It's fire, bro.
Could not attend yesterday's New York session. God favored you yesterday, Pendra.
yeah.
Fine. Jimmy Jones such a beast too, because he was coaching at Miami University, and then won the championship and did a bunch of crazy stuff, and then went to the Cowboys and then made them a dynasty. Basically, bro, that's all they've had since then. Speaking of the Cowboys, Lewis, they were rivals technically, right? Because
Technically, yes. I
kind of like
mean,
in-state rivals, but
yeah,
not
exactly.
really
Because
like number one
it's
rival.
the only two teams in the league that are from Texas.
That's crazy. That's crazy. You're right. Those are only two. Wow. It's wild to think about.
Yeah, I mean, it's literally America's team. You have Cowboy fans everywhere.
No, not anymore.
Hey, I mean, it used to be. I don't know if it
Used
still
to
is.
be. I would say that 100%, but definitely not anymore as much. All right, Goldie. All right, we moving. All right. See, speaking about the Cowboys, it starts going down automatically.
Hey, that's exactly what we are looking for. We wanna see it come
Right.
down, grab those lows, and then maybe we have enough volume to then close back above, and we take off.
We take out.
YouTube, what's going on? Who's there? Who we got on YouTube?
Yeah,
You
weeky,
too.
weeky.
What you do?
Alright, there goes the lows. WWW.
W.
Good morning, Alex. Feeling amazing. Hope you're also feeling great.
Morning, Alex. Mr. Alex on charts. We're blessed,
When
brother.
Alex. Yes, sir. Oh.
W, Alex.
Yeah. Nice movement, Goldie. Nice movement.
Yeah, we tapping into these 30-minute spots.
Yeah, may want to clean out the range on the 52.
Yeah, there's some movement
The
in
next
here.
support. T&D. Good morning, brother.
TND. Dino. Good morning, brother.
The legend.
I'm gonna grab a water real quick.
There he is.
Mr. Worldwide.
Yo, Mr. Worldwide.
Good morning, brother.
Morning, Pitbull.
All right, we got 7 minutes to move back up. Can we do that? Otherwise, what do we have for London if we don't close above? Then we have nothing, because,
Yeah, we have to wait.
yeah. If we close below, then there's not really a lot of room to trade it. Maybe we could just crash through it, but we're running into trouble, so we have to manage here. And then is it really worth it? That would be the question. But we will see. Goldie is moving up right now. That's exactly what we planned. What we planned.
Yep.
We definitely got people that got into cells right here. And they got their stops here, here, or here.
Yeah, for sure.
So that trade is probably looking something like this. And now they're in drawdown. And that's exactly what we want.
That's what we want.
Because now if we then break those highs, their stops get triggered, and that's gonna be a push for us. And that's
And then
usually when you
then-
see a break of the highs push, that's because we have stop loss
Orders.
orders being filled, get people in and people getting stopped, and that makes the market then pop. Just a little understanding of why we wait on candles to break lows and stuff, right? Because if you're new to trading, then it's like, why are you waiting on that, right? But yeah, over time it will start to make sense, everything.
Those are the people that use AI for homework. that are in drawdown.
Yeah. Bang. And deep drawdown. People without the Samsung stream. And what also
think you're doing
happens,
anything? Oh, sorry.
it's just going to say, what also happens down here is when we tap targets is people that sold up here, they will get out of their position. So sellers leaving, and then, yeah.
Yes, sir. That's exactly what
So,
it did.
cream and toes. Yeah, if this 15 closes above, 30 will form a support after tapping those levels. It looks pretty good, you know.
Yep. It's almost like we can see in the future.
He's got foresight.
But we could still get stopped if we get exactly what we want.
Yeah.
Never.
And that's just how trading will always be. You will never know how your trade will go, even if it's the best setup, and you have the highest win rate on it, there will be a loss sometime.
Yep. You can do everything right and still lose.
And that's why it's not like if you take an L, it's not something bad, you know? It's not like in other situations in life, if you take a loss, then you kind of take the blame on you, right? So in trading, it's not like that. If you followed your plan, you take a loss, then there is no blame to take. Then it's just part of the game, you know? And
Yep.
you
You're
always
wrong.
gotta keep that in your mind. Sorry, Aaron.
Love you, bro. Never be sorry, brother.
We got AB Mike.
AB.
Mr. AB.
How you doing, bro?
Guten Morgen, brother. AB.
What all they be?
Is awkward here and spine.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll go 1 minute. Awkward, did you see Marcus Miller was called up to the Springbok camp? Crazy. The Springbok alignment. He's a kid, man. He's a kid.
Must be a beast, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vishal. Hope you're having a great session too. We
Yes,
might get
sir.
into some buys here.
Shortly.
Real
It's
quick.
looking pretty good.
Hey, feel like been a while with Goldie for London.
Yeah. Didn't had a trade in a long time in London session.
Yeah.
That's not our fault.
No, sir.
See, that's the good thing about being patient is that the move will come eventually.
Sir.
Okay, so we closed above 30, didn't really close that strong. But what would be really good if we break the highs now on that 15 slightly, then come down. Build some of that wick, and then we have a buy stop on a re-break of the highs. It's also, if we now come down and fill the wick, it's also valid, but you know, I always like to see some more liquidity being in the market before I enter.
Especially when the 30 closes like that.
Yeah.
15 looks good, but the 30 is closing weak. 1 hour is still bearish, so that's why we want extra confirmation.
We need a really steep wick. Yeah, not the cleanest closure, honestly. If we would have closed here, that would have been much better.
But that's a nice low.
Indeed. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop.
Yeah, I like it too.
Yeah, I like that too. Kind of like 5203 personally, also off the 5 minute.
203.
Was that like the flip?
Yeah.
I'll keep it on previous, I think. She's using current. Crazy man. Well, now current makes sense because you're using previous stop loss, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. I like that. Come on.
Let's
So
see.
if this just goes, then
I
Yeah.
was about to say,
no,
could just be getting a
no
little
way.
crazy.
Shouldn't get.
But I mean, top set, we also don't have that much. MGCs. But yeah, trade C. Let it rip.
Now we're respected.
They respected that bottom.
Yeah.
Yep.
Did I hear limits were lifted on some metals, or did I dream it? I think you dreamt that. Or did I
Nice
miss
dream.
something?
Nice dream.
Stop by.
Order rejected.
Yeah, I still can go only 2.
Order rejected.
Or they rejected. And no one gave me yellow for that.
You want one?
No. It's just testing the waters, you know. Testing it. Just a test. Fire drill, you know. Dun, dun,
If we
That's how I feel like we're hunting price right now. Dun, dun,
Yeah.
we re-break that low and don't reject them, I will delete.
Yeah. Same. We just gotta wait on some more closures.
Yeah. Why's my 5-minute look like that?
Oh, does it look like?
Look at it, bro.
Oh.
Someone was saying that in the chat that trade seeing like tops that were looking like a little different. And it did
Oh.
look different.
Like price wise?
Yeah. And on the chart.
Oh, they look the same. No.
Okay.
I think sometimes, like, she was looking at the 1 minute, and on top step it was bullish, and on trade C it was bearish.
Yeah.
Shut up, Legrand. Stop it.
Yeah. It is.
Oh wow. Oh, I missed that.
Yellow card.
Yeah, I think we need a sub for LeGrand.
You might get a straight red, and we'll see, bro.
We need to send him to the bench.
Second yellow means you're out, the grand, on the same day.
Yeah. Yeah. So rough. Yeah, now we're re-breaking this low. Either we drive here or we reject.
Is that Pepe?
Drive, delete.
That's Pepe, bro. I'm serious. Name's Pepe.
I know.
Kick the ball, bro.
He also looks like Pepe, bro. That's the craziest part. Bro, that's me. That's me in FIFA, bro. What do I look like? Pepe?
Can't see this. No, Legrand, you're noticing Pepe looks like Pepe. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying?
Pepe looks like Pepe the Frog.
Which is hilarious. LeGrand, you look like Kevin De Bruyne.
De Bruyne. Did Pepe get a red card for that?
A green.
Yeah. Yeah, he definitely got red.
He got a green card.
Possibly.
Bro, I literally make one gift. He's
Yo,
that
he
bad.
really looks like De Bruyne, bro.
He got-
Wow.
He got a criminal record.
That peasant.
Right, so we grabbed those lows.
That's
Yeah.
really good.
Just as anticipated. How we see.
That's really good. Shall we hold it? Yeah, I'm keeping it for a couple of minutes. If we're getting too close to that 15 closure, I'm gonna wait. But right now we still got 5 minutes, so there's some time. But
That can still happen.
yeah, probably
Not even
on,
activate.
I'll delete on the last 2 minutes or something.
Yeah, same.
He got a criminal record. The football guy?
Which one, Pepe?
I think so. Hey guys, what would your stop loss be low of the current? Yeah, the low of the current candle, exactly, because yeah, we just broke the previous one, so this is the, I would say, the most secure stop right now. And pretty much the only one we have. Quiet Record Media, welcome.
Welcome. Lee Jack. What's
Yeah,
up,
Lee
brother?
Jack, bro. How you doing? Five minute made some spot moving up now. Got a lot of volume. That's what I like to see for
Order
London
filled.
Open.
Ooh. Here we go.
Oh, well, we in here.
Alrighty.
There we go. Come on, Goldie.
Gonna be closing partials here at 52.10. And then we're also gonna probably move stops to break even there and see if it can run.
Yeah. W execution, boys.
Yeah, did our part. Now we wait.
No, Goldie. We did our part. Now you do yours.
We break the 30 highs. That would be pretty nice, and I think we should do that because we grabbed the lows. So people in cells being scared because that's probably their stop loss right here, right?
Yeah.
If they're in the
100%.
opposite trade, they got entered here. Where would they have their stop loss right here? So price is really close to their stop loss right now. Looking really good.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Like this. Break this.
Since 15 close, no top wick, I'm definitely probably just gonna X out.
Yeah. Still got a minute though.
Yeah.
I want to see it push one more time before we close.
Same.
Yep. You gotta get through this area.
There we go. That's the one I wanted to see. So now it's important that we gotta close bullish.
Yeah.
And then it looks good to continue.
Yeah, I
Got
think
landed
right
open,
now.
so technically these zones should not be too much of an issue,
Mm-hmm.
but we'll see.
I think that push up and then come back down is trying to stop those early people going break even.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially
also
on the
gonna
5
get-
minute.
Yeah, we're also gonna get a 15 bottom wick now, so that's why we don't go break even yet. If we re-break those highs, then that's a good point to go BE.
Yeah. Yeah, nice 15 closure though.
Yeah.
Big rejection to the downside and strong bullish closure above.
Yeah, now if we can break those 15, now we're looking money.
Yeah, if we break the 15 highs with no bottom wick, I will still go B because then I don't want to be in that bottom wick retracement.
Yeah.
Yep.
Come on, Goldie. One more. One more pop.
Mhm.
One more pop.
Yeah, Goldie, just pop up there.
All right.
Let it come down a little bit for the wick. And now go.
Now go. Now go.
Yeah, 5 minute close above the most recent mess. That looks pretty good.
They want to see us break those highs, man. On the 5.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Come on, Goldie, you don't want to get a yellow card today.
Right.
Gold gets a red if it's another.
Hey, Legrand, get the yellow card ready for gold.
Give it back. Give it back, bro.
He's trying though. Goldie's trying. I believe in you, Goldie. I believe in you.
Yeah, stops are super safe, yeah.
Yeah, I'm expecting a little drawdown on this. Maybe we tap into these supports again. Still got 12 minutes on that candle. We got a lot of volume. W trade, yes sir.
W.
If we now take a loss on this, would be kind of sad because we were so close to BE, but we gotta follow the plan.
Look at the exact. We've rejected the zone now 3 times. We should not have to come down and reject it again. If we do want to come down, then it's probably going bearish.
Yeah, then it's a little bit sketchy because we just broke the lows and then we came up, broke the highs, and if we then straight go back for the lows again, then alright, then price is not really doing what it's used to.
Usually does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's time to be careful today.
I will be right back.
What's today? Thursday, right? Yeah.
Yes.
We got unemployment claims. Yep. Five minutes. 5 minute close above this
Not the
one.
best closure on the 5.
Yeah, but also not bad. Oh. It's not. Yeah, it's okay. Like we maybe want to grab the lows on the 5 again. And then we move up. We will see. Gonna be right back. 2 minutes.
Keep his movement. Which direction, Ocker? Tell me it's moving bearish. No. Bullish.
He came for that. Yeah, it's coming for that.
Yeah, everything still looks money. We just need this 15 to not close strong bearish or goes below. And it still looks good. Our stops where they are is a really good stop. It's liquidity, so really trusting these stops that if we want to move up, these stops should be valid. But if we want to come down, then of course, no stop is valid.
I'm back.
Hello.
Hello.
All right, Goldie. Sorry, boys. I mean,
Yeah, Lee Jack. Push, goalie, push. Tell him. Tell it.
I don't. You guys like scallions?
What's that?
Scallions, like the onions?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Little green onions? Yeah, I like them.
Put them on my eggs. I love them.
oh yeah.
I'm obsessed.
Frühlingszwiebeln.
Frühlings?
Zwiebel.
Frühlingszwiebel. Danke, Schatzi. Frühlingszwiebel. Super lecker.
Gotta put them on your Flammkuchen.
Oh, you already know, bro.
Flammkuchen. What on earth is Flammkuchen?
Oh, the best thing ever. Maybe not ever, but
We
it's
should
really
do
good.
Flammkuchen meetup.
Flammkuchen meetup. Bro, why does every time? But like now we're just not moving. Flammkuchen. Alex, is that flam what?
Let me see if there's a GIF.
Right. Super German.
Nah, there's not.
Flammkuchen.
Yeah, you guys gotta Google it. It's
It's like kind of like pizza.
it's like a
But no.
pizza without cheese. it sounds weird, but it has different kind of toppings. There's like cream cheese on it, right?
Focaccia. Okay, just.
The cream is different.
Okay.
And there can be cheese on it.
Oh, I'm about to say I
but
have
there
cheese on mine.
cannot be cheese on it, and there's bacon on it.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
I know that.
But
I-
you can put everything on it. It's just very thin.
Yeah,
Super
true.
thin.
Yeah, you can put on whatever you like. I've seen people put on like sweet stuff.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
apples
Yeah.
and calvados, and then you flame it. You light it.
Oh, flame.
Mm.
I need that bacon and cheese. You know what I'm saying? I can't help
I'm
it.
gonna close pretty nice. I would
Doesn't
say.
like bacon and cheese. Mhm. Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
Okay, we need this 5 to now
Yeah.
push up again. I want to see this
Yeah.
30-minute close week. Enough of that.
Yeah, but still want to see this 15-minute close strong bear. Want to see reject. How to eat pineapple pizza and throw it in the trash. He's gonna throw it in the trash, isn't he? Yeah, saw that coming. Predictable, TD. Come on, man.
Pretty sure that GIF was made by an Italian. Let's go, goalie. Break those 5-minute highs, push up, and then we close on the 30-minute, and then we might see a little more drawdown because of the new bottom wick, but then
But
we
then-
get... Man, gold's really been tough. Or we just break the lows.
Oh, there's some strong bearish momentum.
Mm-hmm.
Why does it range like that for so long and then it just comes down for like
Order
that for a
filled.
minute?
Dang.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm outies.
All right, man. What can you do?
Crazy drop.
What can you do? We waited on that low to break. We got the liquidity here. Come all the way up. We grab all the highs and we go straight back down. W trade.
Yeah.
Still frustrating a little bit.
Quite, yeah. Gold had no reason to do that.
And we were so close to BE. Just needed that one break.
It's alright, bro. What can we do?
Yeah, just probabilities.
Nothing. Can just take the next best trade.
Yes, sir. No business come, so makes sense.
Yeah,
That's
not
why.
that strong.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. Ball just dropped.
Gotta be management though.
Silver shorts paid out.
Hey, David.
Oh,
Hey, bro.
W.
Nice. Dang, that 15 close below on silver.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is silver foreshadowing Goldie or what's going on here?
So you're telling me this is gonna continue down,
I mean,
David?
sometimes, but not all the time.
Wait, Trump awakes still? Okay. Yeah, then I don't
What did
know.
Trump say?
Did he tweet or what's going on here? I mean, that's...
Sounds like good on the 30, but the 15's at the support. Yeah, nothing for me on these cells, I don't think.
Yeah. Just close right
They
at the
closed
next
below the
resistance.
30, but 15, yeah, 15's right at that support.
Yeah, Upandra could be. We should have an eye on that. W move David. W. That looks really clean. The cells on silver.
Yeah, still dropping. Sometimes it just be like that. We got everything we wanted, plus the extra confirmation. It's still straight down.
How many
Yeah,
pips was that?
not that much.
How many pips what that we saw? Probably like
Yeah.
40.
Yeah, 37. Nothing. Man, come on, Goldie. The people that sold here, they're probably sad too, because they got stopped before the drop.
bro.
Yo, Sujay, good morning, bro.
Good morning, Sujay.
Peace and blessings.
Oh,
It's all good. We'll get this.
And Q signal, Lewis.
Now I'm looking at NQ. It already had that push I was expecting. Still haven't quite gotten to that gap yet. So this may be retracing a little bit, but I still see it pushing up a little bit higher.
W, bro.
So we trade, yeah, but let go. I really like that move. Just probabilities here.
Can we do? The setup was there. We executed. We took the loss. That's just what it is. I mean, we had London open. We grabbed the lows. We planned this out from the start of the session, right? We wanted to see it come down. And close below, close back above. We even got the liquidity grab that we wanted. And the next candle came down. Grabbed some more liquidity again. Then we come up, break all those highs. Close really nice bullish. So we keep the trade, right? So we just wait on the break of the highs to go break even. We never get that and it just melts down. That's just, yeah, probabilities. What can we do? I'll take that trade again.
Sure.
London close, yeah. Today, it's actually London open.
Yeah.
But sadly against us.
One, two.
What Goldie tried to do?
Goldie. Will Goldie form a support there? Oh, I don't know.
Maybe.
This
Problem is
point.
1 hour's got range to come down. Didn't even at 2, I suppose, but it did tap these zones. We shall see. Yeah,
Let
they
me-
cancel it. Yeah, David, that's what I'm talking about now.
Let me delete
Could not.
that. Let's take a screenshot.
Give me a couple minutes, bro. Back.
Okay.
If we melt. Continue melting.
Yeah, let's I just deleted everything on my chart and let's check out what we have. We gotta come up with a new game plan here. So
Run it back.
on the 4, we still don't have a really we don't really have a top wick. The previous ones closed bullish. This one we broke the lows, we're pushing down. Not sure, because if that's really like a force support, because the candles gapped so ugly on the open, but I mean it should be. That's the forward closure. So, and from then we went up. So this is support, and we tapped into that, or we are about to tap into that. So that could be a target. Yeah, this one didn't hold. We could come all the way down here, but we could also start rejecting. I think the best bet is here the 1 hour closure, because now we have this support or resistance, support, resistance, whatever. And this 1 hour, if it now closes above or below, I think that will tell us a lot of what's gonna happen next. Because the 30-minute just closed below all of this. And if we now can close back above with this candle, then we basically anticipate the same move we had here, just from a little bit further down. And we grab some more liquidity. So yeah, I would give it a shot if we close bullish above on the 30-minute. That would be my last shot for London session. Then we try to run it up.
Run it back up. $15 A plus to buy now.
Sujay, I noticed something about myself yesterday. I've stopped gambling. I went to the office and couldn't trade the full day. When I got back, I usually overtrade, but not yesterday. Very happy with no trade. W, Sujay. Yeah. Especially in these markets, bro, there's, for me, there's been a lot of no trade days this month. And even the setups that we get are not playing out, so I might even get more selective in the future now, because dang, it's been tough. It's been tough. But yeah, no trade days are good. No trade days are good. And if you are now happy about that, that's a great sign.
Yes, sir. Gotta that discipline. Build those nice habits. They feel good too. Everything adds up. So you already know doing the opposite bleeds into your trading in a negative way. So that'll be bro.
Yeah. It's like buys now. Gold buys from this level. Yeah, 3 people saying gold buys look solid from this level, so I think so too. I think so too. It looks pretty nice. If we can close above, if we can get something back above here, then I'm interested.
Yeah, same.
In retrospect, we had no confirmation that we would leave the range we are in, just my analysis. For me, we had, because we have grabbed the lows. This is London open, right? So London opens, we come down, we grab the lows, sellers get in. That's the move without confirmation in my eye, right? So we break the lows, people get in, and then we come all the way back up in the same candle and break the highs and push through all of this. I mean, if this was just a random candle, I wouldn't enter on this, but this was London open and we've seen volume on this candle now, so yeah, I would take it again. I would take it again, but probably I would avoid this range now for such trades. I would wait for some more clear setup maybe, because this is like the range we've been in yesterday and we had some trouble. It's these areas. But yeah, I can see what you mean with the 15 closing like that, right?
I'm back.
Yo.
Yeah, Legrand, I agree with what said. I think everything lined up, and remember, hindsight is always 2020. If we won that trade, we would have said, "Oh yeah, W sucks the plan," blah blah blah. But we lost, and that's just part of the probabilities. What's important is that we got everything that we wanted, so it's not like we can sit here and be like, "Wow, why did I enter that trade?" Nah, we got what we wanted. We planned it very early on, and we got it. So our job is to execute.
And now we also got some more data on it. So if I notice, I'm not gonna throw the setup overly board because I'll take a loss, right? But if I take now in the next months, I'll take losses over and over, and then I check my journal and I see, well, this setup is not performing that well. Then I might just cut it off or be really selective on that kind of setup or lower my risk. That's what I do on the breakout, because I've seen the breakout not performing well. So yeah, I'm being careful with the breakouts. But this one is one of the really good setups for me.
Yeah. We rejected twice, so we grabbed liquidity on this 15, then we grabbed liquidity again on this 15. So our stops was super valid.
It just didn't want to go up
there.
there.
No reason to come back down unless we wanted to move bearish, which is what happened. And we got that strong 15-minute candle close. You could argue that this resistance is in the way and this wasn't in the way, but we've also created some clean traffic on these few candles, and it's London open, so we should shoot through that. Our BE was in any case sitting like a couple pips above that high. Yeah, like 8 pips above that high. So just didn't get there. Now if we can get this closure back above on the 15 and the 30 support, I'm interested, yes.
Yeah, I was about to ask. Did you read my mind?
We think the same, you know. Oh yeah, that was the other alternative, David. Definitely.
Yeah.
Wait for the 15 to close and then place buys.
That was also like. Sorry, go on.
We wanted sooner because we had more range to cover. And it made sense at those highs. Of course, we're not just gonna take advantage of range because we want more pips, but that high was valid, and we ended up breaking all the highs. That's it.
Yeah, and we were like, we also call out that if we come down to the last 2 minutes of the candle, we will delete and wait on that 15 to close, but we got activated, I think, when there was like still 5 minutes left on the candle, and then, yeah, I mean, what can you do? Like George said, setup was there, we planned it out, we executed.
That's simple.
If the 1 hour closes below, I'm pretty sure we come in for a steeper bottom wick on the daily.
Yeah, we got range. We got range.
Still got 11 minutes though.
You got music on Discord, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
There it is.
You gotta turn it all the way up to hear it.
I have it full, bro.
I'm all the way up.
Nothing can stop me. All the way up. Not yet, Gold. Not yet. You still have 10 minutes.
There
Don't.
you go.
Chill,
Not yet.
chill.
Where you said I'm out of here.
I played you.
Alright.
Now your buy's gonna play out. Look at this. Yeah, this trade will probably play out and not wait on us.
You never know.
Yeah. Might just break the highs and come straight back down.
Right.
I don't think so.
Shh.
You're right. You're right.
W2J. Unless we go FOMO buy. Alright, I'm in. Nah, I'm kidding. We don't do FOMO buys.
No FOMO, no FOMO.
Even though
sir.
sometimes they are tempting. Because, you know, we can read price, we know what's going on, but we don't always get in. That's up to the market. I know, Lee Jack. No worries.
What's that you need?
Oh, yes. Sing for us, Sujay.
Sujay.
Speak, bro. It's okay. Nah,
How you doing?
come back.
Love CJ.
Shoot, I was unmuted.
Good to hear
That's
you.
hilarious, bro.
Sorry for that, guys.
Nah, bro, don't stress. What's
I'm just
good?
happy after the base hit.
Hey,
Yeah, W, bro. W.
sing it, bro.
Nice move on the 1 minute. But these buys, if they hold up here, they still look pretty good. Because then, let's say we enter off with this high, right? Yes, we're close to this. We can still target the full range and then manage at this level here. And then try and swing for those highs. Because we're still bullish. And if this 1 hour closes weak, it looks good to go up the far, looks good to eventually flip and break those highs. After now grabbing the lows again, tapping this zone here again. Of course there is still more clean range, but like you said, that this gap makes it weird. Do we know where's the support? Is the support where this candle closed, or is it where this candle opened? You know, if it's here where it closed, then we've tapped the target as well again. So we shall see.
Yeah.
W Alex.
Nice. Yeah, that 1 minute looked clean.
Nice one.
5 minute looks, yeah, 5 minute may tap you, Alex. We all know how dangerous that 5 minute can get. I mean, look at that 5 minute that came straight to our stop loss.
There's also this resistance slash support on the 1 hour at 51 or at 52.
Yeah, so that.
We will probably close below, but I think it makes sense to look at the 30 minute here. If you can close above 51.95.7.
Yeah, on the 30 we kind of have to close above there.
Yeah, otherwise I can't.
That's why we don't FOMO buy. Yeah, good attempt, Alex. Good attempt. But don't worry, that 5 came just to tap you BE and then shoot to the skies. So don't stress. Yeah, it usually happens, Alex. That's why, I'm very we're very careful sometimes to go BE, especially after yesterday, my goodness. But that 5 minute loves to come and retest specifically the entry, not even the lows, right? It's the entry.
Yeah, it's
then
always through the
shoots up.
pip, bro. It's always.
Yeah.
No matter where you put it. Even if you put it some pips below, it's gonna tap you on the pip.
Yep.
They just know. They know.
Yeah, for some reason it's like they're keeping tabs on the entry.
Well, we might get another entry on of the 30 minute. Looks pretty nice if we close like this.
As long as we close above, if we close below, then yeah.
Okay. Good.
We need a nice bottom wick though. Got a new 1 hour.
Yeah,
Honestly,
bottom link to that support looks good if we form that support.
Fours looks so good to come up, but then you also see these other candles. Those previous
What they
4 hour,
did.
yeah, and they just pretty much look the same. Like we have the bullish candle with a wick to fill, and then the new 4 hour open and bled. We have a bullish candle with a wick to fill, the new candle opens and just bled. So kind of have it playing out the third time in a row here, if so.
Yeah.
Goalie is a little bit tough to trade.
Confused.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have noticed this in the last week or so. The 1 hour is never aligned with the 15-minute. It's a 1 hour breakout to the downside, but the 15-minute looks ready to fly. Yeah, true. True.
Yeah. You kind of need them to correlate. Exactly, CJ. Exactly. And even when you do, like we did, wait for the grab of the lows. We got it. It still gets stopped out.
Yeah, sadly.
30 seconds, Goldie. 30 seconds to close a couple pips above.
Trying to wait.
It's trying.
Come on, Goldie.
Will she do it? Will she close above?
Nope.
No, she will not. She will not. Yeah, this is where it becomes difficult because you look at the 15, you're like, wow, that looks really good to come up, right? But then you realize you're entering in a really strong zone here on the 30. You've got so many taps here, so many supports and resistances lining up here.
Yeah, nothing.
1 hour is very bearish. So if there is no bottom wick, yeah. $30-minute support with 15 salary. You could, but we're reaching pretty late into this London.
I really don't like that we close below on the 30-minute.
Yeah, that's a big
Yeah,
change.
our is pretty. It looks pretty bearish.
Yeah, the hour closed below these supports, so we at least wanted to see the 30-minute close above. All of this, right? We just pushed through it, and now we are not back above, so I'm not trusting the break of those highs to really keep going.
I agree.
Yeah, me neither. Me neither.
I'm not gonna lie, I ain't trusting nothing going into the.
I would have loved to get this move because we took this trade and it was a good trade. We took a loss. I would love to get the loss back on the next best setup, but we didn't get the next best setup, so we're not forcing anything now. I think we're gonna just take it to the next session and we're gonna look for some trades in NY again, because for London now, I mean, what do you think? Maybe a 50-minute to see if we grab the highs and then close bearish and take some sells? But that's like the only option I would see. Only if we grab those highs.
Yeah. You do have a new support which can look for closed low. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'd rather wait for a pocket of volume.
Yeah.
I.e. New York. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the smartest move, just to wait for another time where we have like a guaranteed or a good probability of volume coming in when we take a trade, and then because if we don't have volume, then we could have a good setup and it will still not play out. And yeah, like George said, we already moved a lot for London, so we might just slow down from here.
Yeah. If you guys are truly trusting the 15 over all the other time frames, it would look something like this. Only if we were to tap the support. If you guys want to get aggressive with buys here, and then definitely manage here. That's about it though. I'm not gonna take this because the time frames are not really correlating.
Yeah.
Because if you think about it, we did the same thing earlier, right? We tapped these supports, closed bullish, but technically we closed below this. Technically we closed below this, but obviously trusting London volume, we were supposed to push through that, and we didn't. But now we've actually got a closure below this, and it's obviously less trust. But then again, if you guys want to take these buys and trust the 15, I would say this is the move. Only if the supports get tapped, and then it would look like this. Full TP can be around about here. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this though. But if you
Yeah.
like it, it does make sense.
Yep.
I mean,
All right.
That is it.
Yeah.
it was-
That's just how trading is.
session.
W session. Yeah. Thank you all for pulling up. We're gonna be back tomorrow morning. If you want to trade with
Thank
us
you,
in
everybody.
NY, you can get access over the website. And yeah, I hope you have a blessed day.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Have a blessed day. And thanks for pulling up. We appreciate every single one of you. And we will see the members later. London, we'll see you tomorrow. All right. Stay
sir.
safe.
All right.
Peace, everybody.
And, be blessed.
Peace.
Thank you, everyone.
Peace, gang. Peace, peace,
See
peace.
you.